God's afternoon, October 1, 2022, Sabbath, Saturday, Philippine time zone, 4:06 afternoon. Continuation of Destinator, Chapter 4, Integrated Planetary Earth Calendar, IPEC, by Michael Doan, narrated by Jane Diva Precious. May I also invite your attention to the fact that this IPEC, Integrated Planetary Earth Calendar, does not adopt the present style of having named months from January to December and named days from Sunday to Saturday. The IPEC is a simple numerical count of days, months, and years based on the motions of the earth as it revolves around the sun and simultaneously as it rotates on its own axis. The use of a month is a respect for the traditional usage under the present calendar, the Gregorian calendar. Under the IPEC, the calendar count of the days in one solar year with monthly divisions has been established without any leap years, and future adjustments of accumulated number of hours, minutes, and seconds. Incidentally, we cannot proceed into the day count going into a month, into a year, without first counting and marking the very important passage of the planetary Earth hour for 24 hours, period for every one completed 360 degrees rotational movement of the Earth. At this juncture, I would like to present the concept of a world timing system known as the GeoWatch or GeoTimer, which is also Integrated Planetary Earth Calendar, IPEC. Under the GeoWatch or GeoTimer, one Earth rotational day count is from one planetary Earth, 12 high noon, to the next 12 high noon. In the country of the Philippines, in the Philippine time zone. Dear friends, why not think and study about? These images are the GeoTimer and Martian timer. The GeoTimer is colored in the first and only clocking device for the whole planet Earth as a single celestial body. The Martian timer, likewise, is the first and only clocking device for planet Mars. Both planetary timers operates under the same timing indications, marking, and leveling using the Earth sexagesimal system and the computed data from NASA about time indications in all the 9 planets in our solar system using Earth time units, sonar, the synchronization and coordination of all the time indications of the 9 planets in our solar system have been formulated, computed, and already with individual softwares and programs for actual construction and installation in hardwares like wristwatches, wall clocks, etc. The regularity, uniformity, and commonality in motion and time measurement and indication in the creation of the one and only God is clearly displayed, manifested, and seen in concrete. God is greatest and supreme. First circle geotimer. 24 hours, 1 solar day, or 23 hours, 56 minutes, sidereal day. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 3,600 coming from 60 times 60. Application. Given situation when it is 12 high noon on planet Earth. Martian timer. 1 day in Mars is equals to 24 hours and 37 minutes. Earth time units. 1 hour equals 97 minutes. 60 plus 37. 1 minute equals 5,820 seconds. Coming from 97 times 60. 1 hour equals 9,409. Coming from 97 times 97. Mars, it is 11:23, indicating that planet Mars needs 37 more minutes to reach 12 high noon planet Mars situation or moment. Question 1. Is it now possible to synchronize, coordinate, and simultaneously indicate, mark, count, and label the exact and accurate time of planet Earth and planet Mars as they continue to endlessly rotate on their own axis and repeatedly complete the cycle of 360 degrees as circular, global, and spherical celestial bodies? Question 2. Based on the operational and functional principle governing planet Earth and Mars as celestial bodies in our own solar system, what are the probabilities and possibilities of doing the same for the other 6 planets according to the data from NASA? General observations. 1. All the 8 planets in our own solar system do not have the following features like on Earth. A. 2-day reckoning or dating with 1 day for the west, which is 1 day late when going to the east, and 1 day for the east ahead when going to the west. B. The use of international dateline indicated AM or PM. 2. In all 8 planets, their individual planetary timers and planetary calendars, they were constructed using the same process according to NASA data. 3. The planetary timers and planetary calendars with lunar computations in numbers all function and operate infinitely repeatedly, just like all the celestial bodies called planets, and their individual fixed paths and motions like rotation on its own axis and revolution around the sun. Four, the length or duration of 1 month is fixed at 28 days, and based on the principle of 7, which has the property of continuity and infinity as demonstrated in the week cycle. 5. Months are labeled or marked in numbers and no longer in commemorative significance, and this facilitates exact distribution of the number of years for one solar year of Earth planet as it endlessly revolves around the sun. Geotimer, it is exactly 12 high noon on planet Earth. Martian timer, 11:23 or 37 minutes before high noon. When the two planetary timers are set at the same time, it is observable that the passage and dating of time on Earth is ahead by 37 minutes, while Mars has yet to complete the remaining 37 minutes for every 1 hour on Mars. To be continued.